Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Olaplex is probably one of the most talked about hair treatments on the market, promising to repair and strengthen damaged strands from within, making it a holy grail for those battling breakage, split ends, and overall hair weakness. So if you're looking for a way to revive your locks and achieve that coveted healthy shine, this deep conditioning treatment might just be the game changer you've been searching for, especially if your hair has undergone chemical treatments or heat. Styling. Number 5. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Discover the revolutionary K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. It's designed to bring your hair back to life. Our patented formula offers lasting repair for hair that needs it most. Experience the difference of advanced hair care. Say goodbye to dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. This mask works to restore health and vitality to your strands. See visible results in just 4 minutes. It effectively reverses damage caused by chemical services and heat styling. Perfect for hair that has undergone bleaching, coloring, or other chemical treatments. It helps to rebuild and strengthen. Embrace the future of hair repair with this innovative treatment. Achieve healthier, stronger hair with ease. What we like. This is for those with severely damaged hair from chemical services. If your hair is brittle, dry, and frizzy due to bleaching or coloring, this is your go-to. It works on a molecular level to truly repair the hair's internal structure. If you're looking for a transformative treatment that delivers visible results quickly, this is the one. What people say. I noticed a difference after the first time I used it, especially with my hair feeling softer. But it wasn't really as noticeable until the third time. My hair is pretty damaged and I'm using it a couple times a week and it seems to really be reviving my locks. It's not greasy or heavy and smells pleasant, and I truly feel like it is a true product that actually does what it says, and you can feel the difference in your hair. Repairs your hair in one treatment. I've used as directed once a week and I've already had better hair health and less breakage, while implementing other changes to my routine. It's easy to apply due to its nice texture. Directions are clear and easy to follow. The scent is nice and it doesn't leave any greasy shine appearance after applying. Number 4. OUAI Leave-In Conditioner and Heat Protectant. Meet the Do-It-All Detangler, your new go-to for effortless styling. This spray works wonders on every occasion, protecting your hair from damage and smoothing every strand. Tired of battling frizz and flyaways? This moisture-rich formula hydrates brittle strands, leaving your hair soft, sleek, and perfectly controlled. Feeling naughty? Our powerful amino acid blend, tamarind seed extract, and vitamin E work together to keep your strands detangled, hydrated, and healthy. Prep your hair for any style with this essential heat protectant. It shields your strands from thermal damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for use with blow dryers, flat irons, and curling wands. OUAI means yes, in that casual Parisian way. We believe in saying yes to living boldly and reaching for products that empower you every day. What we like. This is a fantastic all-rounder for everyday use. If you struggle with knots, frizz, and flyaways, and want to protect your hair from heat styling, this is ideal. It preps your hair for styling, making it smoother and more manageable. If you're looking for a multitasking spray that simplifies your routine and keeps your hair looking polished, you should consider this. What people say. It smells nice, is moisturizing, helps detangle and multitasks as a heat protectant. It made my hair so smooth and shiny after a blow dry. My hair doesn't get left oily, but still gets the moisture it needs. The frizz that I'm used to getting after drying has gone down so much, and my hair has been bleached, box dyed, and has fallen out. This product smells good, it nourishes and reduces frizz in my hair, detangled hair very well. I recommend this product so much. The hair oil is what saved my wave pattern. Just after one use it brought out nice curly waves that I haven't seen in so long. Number 3. MAREE Deep Conditioning Keratin Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our deep conditioning mask is here to help restore its natural hydration and softness. It's designed to make your hair more manageable and healthier looking. This treatment is formulated with powerful ingredients like keratin, biotin, and coconut oil. It works to smooth frizz and repair split ends, giving your hair a revitalized appearance. Experience deep moisture and incredible softness with our nourishing formula. It helps make detangling and styling easier, providing hydration without leaving a heavy residue. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, curly, or color-treated, this mask is suitable for you. It can be used as a quick conditioner or an intensive treatment, depending on your hair's needs. Enjoy the pleasant coconut fragrance as you treat your hair. Our thoughtfully designed packaging ensures a delightful experience from opening to application. What we like. This mask is perfect for anyone with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair needing intense hydration and softness. Its versatility allows for a quick condition or a deep treatment. If you're looking for a product that smooths frizz, improves manageability, and provides a boost of moisture without feeling heavy, this is a great choice. It's especially good for those who enjoy a pleasant coconut scent. What people say. The tone is amazing and left my hair feeling very soft and conditioned. My previous product always left my hair feeling dry and brittle. This product definitely delivers. It tones really well while keeping my hair soft and hydrated, which is hard to find with purple products. It doesn't dry out my hair at all like most purple shampoos do. The scent is subtle but really nice, not overpowering. My hair was quite yellowish-orange due to our well water. I left this mask on for 10 minutes and my hair is even brighter, cool blonde, than when I left the salon. On top of that, it was very hydrating. I'm 4 months PP, so my hair is extremely dry and brittle like it. My hair feels so soft and looks so healthy now. Number 2. Boldplex 6 Hair Serum. Experience the transformative power of our advanced hair serum. It works deep within each strand to repair damage and protect your hair from dryness. No matter your hair type, this serum is designed to smooth flyaways and combat frizz. It addresses common concerns for distressed hair, making it an essential part of your routine. Simplify your styling routine with this leave-in treatment. It makes blow-drying easier and leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and strong with a polished finish. Enjoy the benefits for days. This elixir reduces the need for constant restyling, ensuring your hair remains healthy and vibrant. We are committed to both healthy hair and a healthy planet. Our products are free from parabens and sulfates, cruelty-free, vegan, and packaged in recycled materials. What we like. This serum is designed for those who want to repair and protect their hair from daily stressors and styling. If you have dry, damaged, or frizzy hair and are looking for a leave-in treatment that simplifies styling and provides lasting smoothness, this is for you. Its vegan and cruelty-free formulation is a bonus for conscious consumers. If you like the idea of a product that works on a molecular level for stronger, silkier hair with less styling effort, give this a try. What people say. This is helping my hair so much. Makes the hair soft and smooth, and I have afro hair. This product is very effective on the hair, making your hair soft and manageable. Doesn't weight down the hair as much, but that's also a plus. Smells incredible. Number 1. Hydrating Hair Mask, Deep Conditioning Treatment. Are you struggling with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair? Our deep conditioning treatment is designed to bring life back to your locks. This mask is enriched with nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, collagen, and wheat protein. Experience hair that feels incredibly soft and smooth. It effectively tames frizz for a polished look. Whether your hair is straight or curly, this formula is safe to use. Enjoy manageable, beautiful hair. Give your hair the intensive care it deserves. This treatment deeply conditions to restore health and shine. Say goodbye to stubborn frizz. This mask helps to control flyaways and leaves your hair looking sleek. What we like. This is a go-to for anyone with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair seeking deep hydration and smoothness. Infused with nourishing oils and proteins, it works to soften and control frizz effectively. If you're looking for a curl-safe option that leaves hair feeling manageable and looking polished, this mask is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want to combat dryness and improve the overall texture of their hair. What people say. It smells so good, creamy that's smooth yet provide oil texture but not greasy sticky type of oily. It's just perfect for my hair. Works great and leave your hair soft and manageable. I have curly hair and my curls looks amazing for days. It made my hair silky, smooth and hydrated. Use a small amount and let sit for 5 to 7 minutes. My hair came out soft, hydrated. So far this seems to be a great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.